Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Drawings to create a digital mosaic. Here are the first quick easy steps that we'll be using. Find an image, insert shapes on top, Control D to duplicate, create custom colors, remove image, and add your background. So first things first, to actually create a new one, click New, More, Google Drawings, and then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to insert an image. You can upload from the computer or you can search the web. I'm going to find flower. And I kind of like the way this one looks, so I'm going to insert it. Now, if you don't want to include everything, or if you want to crop it, you can. So double click it, drag these little corners in, the ones that are black, not the blue ones. Double click it again and it crops it. And I like to kind of make it pretty big, that way you can actually see where the shapes would go. So now you're ready to start inserting some of the shapes. Now before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and just insert a background shape, one big background shape. It's going to be all the way behind it. So I'm going to fill it in, use this dark gray. I'm going to go to Arrange, Order, and send it all the way to the back. Okay, so now I'm ready to start actually adding the small mosaic shapes. So you can do that by adding just one shape. And I'll do kind of an orange color here. And if you want, you can customize it. So I'm gonna maybe make it like that. And you can also do the border of that shape. So this is to fill it in, and this is to do the border. So once it's there, you can hit Control D. That duplicates it. And then you can move the shapes around to the different parts of your picture. Notice I'm leaving a little bit of space between each one of the shapes to create that mosaic effect. Okay, and if I wanted to do another shape here, you can hit Control D again. This time it's kind of more of a yellowy, kind of a yellow-orange color. Maybe something like that. I can move it around. Remember to change the shape. The color that you need. And hit Control D. That helps to duplicate the shape so you don't have to make each one of these. It's going to save you time because this does take some time to create. Notice I'm moving them just slightly. Actually, move that one up there. There we go. Okay, you can always zoom in as well, so you can kind of see how close each shape is, and if you need to adjust or move some, you can. And you just keep duplicating and adding more and more shapes until you fill it up all the way. Now, like I said, I know that it will take some time. If you need to adjust some of these, you can. And then you can duplicate them again that small and start putting them around Okay, go back to fit. Now you can always delete the picture just temporarily so you can kind of see where your shapes are going and how it's looking. You can always click undo to bring the picture back. Redo, undo, redo, undo. That kind of helps out. Here's a couple of other ones that I started. And here's another one. Kind of zoomed into this one. That's what it looks like right now. But you can see that this one's been taking a while. You can see all the different shapes that I've added. And whenever you're ready to turn in, when you're done, you would go to File, Download. You can either download as a JPEG image or a PNG image, and you can turn it in. Thank you very much.